everyone, welcome back. So I was editing today's video and realised I had not done an intro or an outro, so that's what I'm here to do now. So today's video is basically sort of an update of our home, of our house, of, you know, what's new. Obviously your house is sort of a progress and a process, and is a progress, that's not English. Basically the progress we've made so far, new things that have been, you know, put up, furniture that I've built. Do you know what though, I really love it. I've learned so many new skills since moving here that it's been really good. So we've got some new bits out and about, we've got some new decor, we've got mirrors finally, and it's just kind of like me picking up the camera every so often and walking you through the house and showing you new bits and bobs and stuff like that. A lot of you in my recent home haul videos have been saying, I want to see an update, so this is for you. So the bin is a little bit full in the corner there. So the bed is the same. Our bedside tables, those are a Facebook Marketplace find, but they had white knobs and different baskets, so I've just done my own little upcycle there. That was where the little what are they called, doorstop was, but we took that off. And guys, are you ready? Fan's still out. We got a mirror. It is a huge 80cm in diameter mirror with a gold frame. That is from B&M, £35. And then the chair in the corner, this cushion cover is from H&M. I like it. Well, I love it. I love the cushion, but I feel like it's too big for that chair. But the problem is that I'll show you in a minute, because you'll see the new cushions we've got for the sofa. All of the cushions are like this, like tassely boho. So I feel like we need a mixture. So maybe I'll put a different cushion here. I just don't know. I don't know, guys, help. We need to balance out the tasseliness. So I thought I'd bring one up here and maybe get another couple of plain ones without tassels and patterns for the sofa. But we'll see. I absolutely love that. H&M. And I think that is the bedroom for now. We need to put prints and shelves and just personalisation. Weather's a bit grim today, isn't it? But I'm still up, guys, I'm still up. Oh, before we go to the office, sneak peek dressing room. Video coming soon. Office, nothing has changed, I don't think. No, I don't think so. Got these from, not on the high street, from an independent seller, so I'll link that below. I've popped up my favourite Rupert picture ever. The blind is still not up. And then this is another artificial trading plant. That is from IKEA. Down here is just kind of stuff. Obviously Rupert's toy basket belongs here. The prints don't. I just don't know where to put them right now. And yeah. So I don't actually think anything is new in the bathroom, but I will give a special mention to Aldi, because this is lovely hand soap. Oh, and I've put my little Primark basket here, which has just got face cloths, a Dunelm perfume, cotton pads, bath salts, and a hand cream. And I'll show you the dressing room in the next video, I believe. I think I'll do a dressing room before and after progress video. I've been filming snippets as I go, but I love it. It's one of my faves. And that's enough of that. Oh yeah, so the ladder shelf, there was a ladder shelf here, but I've actually moved that into the dressing room for bags. So yeah, so again, it's so empty right now. So once you come downstairs, there are the stairs. We now have a radiator cover that we love. By the way, this will be covered soon. We're planning on getting like a basket to put the Wi-Fi router in, and then a white plug, so it just looks a bit less like So I absolutely love this radiator cover. So we decided to go for one like this instead of the one that everyone has. Like my parents have one in my family home, you know, the ones with like the little shapes, like the diamonds. And we just thought, you know what, I'm on the hunt. I was on the hunt for one of these for so long. I found a company that did it, but they were always sold out. And then Tom and I found this one on Homebase, and it was the perfect size. So we got that ordered. And then this is the same mirror that we have in the bedroom, the B&M 80cm diameter circle mirror, which, as you know, I've been after for a long time. We've both been searching high and low for like an affordable one that's the right size, and this was just the thing. £35, guys, and it's just perfect. It's just what we wanted. And then well, I was just playing about yesterday with like decor on here, so Tom actually really liked it. He came home and was like, wow babe, I really like this. I was like, oh, thank you. So this vase is from IKEA, and then these bunny tails I got from Amazon. And I've had this for a long time. I got this in America like 5-6 years ago, in one of the sort of boutique Disney stores in Disney Springs. Then we've got a little candle, and then we've got a bowl that's for keys, like dumping things. I've got another little candle, and then I've got a little seagrass. Is it called seagrass? What's it called? And then we've got a little, I can't remember what these are called. Is it seagrass? I'm just like trying to think and it's not coming. It's like a little rattan / wicker, but it's not one of these. It's a coaster with an old Jo Malone perfume bottle. And I've stuck some of these spare, well, they're not spare bunny tails. They're the ones that basically like fell off. So I've popped those in there, and I think that looks really nice. So that's that all updated. I'll show you some new bits in the living room that currently don't have a place. So that's why they're here. So it is a bit frustrating that there are currently no, well, it's fine, because it's fine, it'll be a few days. What I meant to say was frustrating was this, but it will get sorted, it will get organised. But these are new, so I haven't shown you the living room yet. So these little nesting tables are from Next. And my shelf. Aww. So we haven't actually like decided what's going on this shelf, because I feel like it's not quite right. Like, I feel like we need another, maybe like the black square frame there, another print, and then move these along. This ivy was from Amazon, so it's just like a trailing plant. Artificial, of course. And as you know, in my diffusers, I like to add a few little artificial sprigs of stuff. You can always just get things like this from like the Range, B&M, Poundland, and they just make a difference, you know? That's just Rupert's teddy. He lives on the sofa at this moment. You can see where me and Tom like to sit the most. Okay, so as you just saw, the sofa is currently cushionless, and that is because they're all down here. And this may be strange to you, because you might be like, well, just put the ones you've got on. But I'm still waiting on a pale pink cushion cover that is a long, small one, and another one of the, like another velour pink square one. And I don't want to put any on the sofa yet, because I feel like it won't look right, because there's only one pink thing. Like, it won't balance out, and there's a lot of tassels going on, and the others don't have tassels, so hopefully it'll all balance out. But these really nice boho ones are all from Amazon, which I'll link down below. This pink one is from the Range. This one's a really old one from Made. And then, as I said, I'm waiting on another cover and another cushion. And then also down here, as you can see, are a lot of frames. So we've got loads of different sizes. We're going to do a couple of gallery walls and obviously put some prints up. This bar cart you've already seen in my last video. If you've seen my last video, a budget home haul, is actually going to go here in the living room. So we're going to like do some like bar themed prints, maybe, we'll see. This, I am currently doing something for my sister's baby shower, so that's turned around. This, guys, is amazing. So these are great value, self-adhesive wheelie bin sticker kits, and this is a pug one. Now, I saw this on Beth's Instagram stories. She's Bethany Francesca on Instagram. Just a quick cut in, I absolutely love her Instagram. She's so real, so down to earth, so just relatable in the biggest sense. But anyway, so yeah, go and follow her. She showed these on her Instagram story, and I replied, and I replied to her story, and I was like, girl, talk to me about these. So I got these. So we live in the middle of nowhere in the countryside, but we're down this little cul-de-sac, and Rupert knows everyone knows Rupert, so we I thought this would be fun to put on our wheelie bins. And then, as I said, loads of frames. There is a little IKEA item. Is there anything else? No, IKEA item back here. So I did a little IKEA order, but only a small one, so it was not the expensive delivery. So I got this, which is a little artificial flowered hanging hoop. I thought that'd be really nice for autumn, which is now, hooray. So I got that. I got one of the, oh, not that one. I got a frame. I think it was this, yeah, this big square one. I got some veg cars. If any of you watch Stacey Solomon's Instagram stories. And I love those. I think they look really nice. And they are artificial because even I can kill a cactus. I feel like that was one of the first things when we started going out, he found a dead cactus in my house and he was like, aren't these really hard to kill? I was like, yes. This tiny little vase, because I thought it'd be nice to put like a few sprigs of eucalyptus in there or bunny tails or whatever. And then also some of the things I've bought are around the house, so you've already seen those. And then, let me pop this back down here. And then I got this little vase from H&M. So it is one of these like speckled, not that this is going to focus because that would just be too handy. It's one of these speckled like stone natural looking vases. And I am thinking of putting pampas grass in here. So that is just from H&M, and then this jar is also from IKEA, but I decided to tie some twine and some eucalyptus around it. The kitchen I have just cleaned, so hopefully it is satisfactory. So I think the only few things that are new in here are Rupert's bath mat. So I always recommend, if you've got a dog, having a bath mat under their bowls because it absorbs the water, obviously, because it's a bath mat. This one is from Dunelm and I've just cut it to size. I thought that was really nice. The other one disintegrated in the washing machine. It's not funny because it made a problem with the washing machine. It's sorted, but this one is a lot nicer. I know how to wash it. The other one, it didn't have any instructions, so I guess, and it didn't go well. Anyway, so kitchen is pretty much the same, except we now have a bread bin. This was also in the IKEA order. I've got one of those. We both were after a roll top, like one of those ones you get in like hotels, a roll top bread bin. And it's not quite a roll top because it just lifts up, but we've got the same look and I love that. Nothing else is different. Yeah, here are the rest of the coasters. Yeah, these, what are these? Why can't I think? Oh, never mind. You've seen the table before. That's just the Hoover charger, the Dyson charger. Have I shown these on YouTube? Not sure. I did some doodles. Changed that to September. That'll be October before we know it, won't it? Goodness me. So guys, this just arrived, the photo. So I already had the frame, I showed you that earlier, that's from IKEA. And I made the collage of Tom and I on my phone, just put everything in black and white, put it in a collage, uploaded it to Photobox, and here it is. What do we think now? Is that a bit better? Well, I really like it. I love that it's just like nice happy memories. Have you found the sunbeam? Rupert? Have you found the sunbeam? You good boy. And the postman also delivered this little belly basket. That one was from Amazon, but you can literally get these everywhere. And I swapped, so I've put a white little plug bank so that it wasn't a black plug. And then the Wi-Fi router's in there. I mean, we could, you know, put something on it, like a blanket or something, but it's a lot better than it was, definitely. Now we just need to figure out what to do with this, because we can't just get a standard electric box cover because it's touching this wall as well. Because I've seen a lot of people buy like just bathroom cabinets and not putting the back in, but we can't because the side's also there. So if you guys have any ideas, please let me know. Because we just did find this website that does like electric box covers, but obviously like they're in the middle of the wall, whereas ours is against another one. to see the drawers. Oh, and we've got a blind. Yes, it is one of 2 blinds we need putting up. So we've got our blind in the office up finally. So now I can get changed in here. And then we've got the drawers. So this is the white chest of drawers. This is the white version of the one that's going in the dressing room. So it's like, this is the set in the dressing room. There's just a package under my hand, so I'm just covering my dress. And yes, so it's a white version. Although in certain lights, you can really see like the wood underneath it. But I'm so pleased because I've been able to use these gold knobs, because I think I bought a pack of 26 or so. I've been able to use them on 5 different bits of furniture, including this one. So it's just really nice. It looks so much nicer than just with the white knobs, and I just got them from Amazon. So I'm so chuffed to bits. So yes, office has got a little bit of an update, but just needs a lot of artwork and personalisation. I know I keep saying that. I think I'm getting paranoid that people are going to be like, oh, it's so plain and unpersonal. But we're getting there. We're getting there. There's my little squish. So far in here, in the top 2, it was mainly for Tom to have some storage here at home, because he does have his own office and studio elsewhere. Yeah, so the top 2 are just like bits and bobs and invoices and stuff. The middle drawer is empty, but again, it's just so that Tom has some extra storage. And then the bottom drawer has my soft boxes and my camera, tripods, bulbs, and all that good stuff. So that I'm so glad that fits in there nicely, so that they don't have to be out and be a bit of an eyesore. So we're getting there. And there we have it. That is our house as it stands at the moment. What do you think? As always, do let me know your feedback in the comments. I love to know, you know, would you put this plant here instead? Would you put that here? Or just bits and bobs. I'm open to what you think. It's hot. My hair's gotten very long since lockdown, and haven't had it cut yet. I just honestly, like, I feel so lucky. We both do. Like, we've... just feel so lucky that this is our home, that we've been able to buy this house, do it up, and just, you know, it's a work in progress, and we're really enjoying it. And I can't wait to make it feel even more homely and add more personal touches and, you know, prints and frames and more personality. It's just, I love it. Having so much fun, and I just feel so lucky and grateful. So yes, and thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.